So GAIL, we didn't get any call. Let me change it to Voltas. So that is Voltas. UPL is one script. So we don't have a call still on that. To Yes Bank, yeah, it is still there. Yes Bank hit a stop loss in the morning. Unitech was a sell call. So whenever you get this X symbol after 9:20, it's better you don't trade in that script, because there is some problem in the data in that particular script. So don't trade on that script, though it gives you a sell call here. Titan was a gap up, but it fell down. So the advantage of having both
strategy alert.
Union Bank, again I told you this particular call, I got it from my trading tree, but I will show you the entry for Union Bank here. $214 was the entry. I mean, these prices are the spot market prices, but you can trade with, I showed you that in the morning. All the spot market prices I have traded in futures. So that is your profit on Union Bank. So these are the calls that I have traded from morning. There are few pending also. So if you are, many people used to ask me this doubt: how can we trade these many calls? I'm doing it right in front of you, talking to you. So Adani Power, I exited that call, but you can see it's at final target now. That's around 15% profit. More than that. So, do you want me to close this? I am almost done for the day.
There is a cell call in the 8 a.m. Tier 1. There is a cell call in the AMJ. I mean cell call in BPCL1.
So we have a cell call in Tata Motors.
There is a cell call in Syria MPK1. There is a cell call in JSWSTEEL1.
So you can place this trade here, 531.80.
There is a cell call in BHAJ1.
So I have more cell calls here in my other system. So JSW, I have a cell call. Bajaj, I have a cell. So Bajaj, I prefer usually not to do that. So I will just ignore that. I will come to CAN Bank. It's another good script. So I will be placing my trade at 407.50. So that is the support what I have. Or let's say 407. So I'll place my Canara Bank call at 407. I'm shorting that call at 407. And I have a sell call in JSW. So I would prefer not take this call, JSW. BPCL, I have a call again. I can again short it at 743. I am shorting BPCL again after it has done its final targets in FT. Let me change that. So after my all targets are done, then again I am entering. Hello. So I was just saying that BPCL, though it has done all its target, I am still shorting it because I have a sell call again in BPCL in trading 3. So it's not only these 30 scripts that you can trade. You have another 120 scripts where you can trade, but you'll have to choose the right kind of scripts which have good volumes and volatility. Adani Enterprises, we have a sell now, 454. So it's very important that you sit in front of the system every day and then do the trades. I don't know if Adani have placed a call here. But Adani Enterprises we can still short. We can place a trade here. So if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. Maybe I'll just wind up. Yeah. The price catch anyway, I will make the video, but you can have a look at it. There are only few things in that, only around 5 tabs what we have. There is nothing much. Once you enter the trades here, I mean the script name of the scripts, you can watch the active scripts here. The completed scripts also will be here. Setting and options is nothing but you enter, in case if you are using AMI broker, you will get the data from AMI broker or QTX or SQA. And here you'll have to choose the place where you have paper trading, you'll have to choose your terminal. And in case if you want to use money management, time management, you can even do that. And in case if you want to do more number of scripts, you can just add it here. I mean, I put it as 100. So 100 in the sense 50 scripts on each side. So you can change that, or maximum amount per script that you want to put, you just check what is the maximum amount in margin requirement. Then you can add that there. And manual orders is nothing but I am just placing it and showing it to you right now. So once you place the order, it will be there in the pending. It will be there in the queue. So once your conditions are met, it will automatically get triggered and it will come into your active trades. So once you square off this will get into your completed trades. Very simple. So this is the latest figure. Almost most of the trades are done. So the calls, we haven't entered any new calls here. These are the calls which are running from morning. So the roughly profit is around 36,000 rupees. So you can see that here total PL, that is some 37,000 rupees, and this will actually be less than this because most of the trades are done. So the margin requirement will be almost 110, I mean at least 25% of this, because the less calls that has to be done. So here you can see that the first target's done, the second target's done, the average exit here, the stop loss here, the buy value, sell value. This is calculated on your margin sheet. So the total profit and loss on the buy side here. On the sell side, you have the total profit and loss and the margin requirement. The turnover done. So if you are choosing something like, if you are, let me just say, you have done 7 lakhs here and you have done 9 lakhs here. Sorry. Here 76 lakhs turnover and here 94 lakhs turnover. So that will be around 1.7 crores is the total turnover on this 30 scripts what you have traded. So let me just take in case if your broker is giving at 1 paise. So that will be around 1.700 rupees is a brokerage. But you don't need to do that. You can always choose a brokerage plan where we have 1,999, that is 2,000 rupees per month unlimited. So that will roughly work out to around 100 rupees every day. That is, we calculate it as 20 days as working. So 100 rupees every day will be your brokerage irrespective of whatever the turnover is there. So that will actually benefit you more.
There is a sell call in DLF1.
So I have the sell call in DLF, that is from PT. Let's just check the chart. So there's nothing much to do on DLF. I personally am not doing anything from past 1 week or 10 days. So we're getting some calls this way. So that is it. So I was talking about the margins and the brokerage. So choose a fixed brokerage plan where you don't give away much on the brokerage. So I think 2,000 rupees per month unlimited trading is a good option for intraday traders who trade regularly. You can choose that option. And anyway, since you are getting margins, very good margins, so around 2 lakh rupees investment in your account, and let's say roughly around 10% returns every day. You don't need to do any other work. And I actually didn't show you this. I should be showing you this. And this is for people who usually say that I trade only in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is in a range of 20 points today. it's in a range of 20 points. So in 20 points, I doubt if you can make any profit. So on days like this, when Nifty is moving in 20 points range, on those days too, we definitely make our profits. That's very simple. And let me show you even Bank Nifty also. So 550, 650, that's around 100 points range. In 100 points range of Bank Nifty, just imagine what is the profit that you are looking. If you are looking for 1000 rupees profit every day, then I don't think the system what we are talking about and the softwares what we are using will not be helpful for you. If you are looking at some substantial income and a regular activity, then it will suit you. Any more doubts? I don't know if you have understood this particular system. It's fine. If you have any doubts, you can definitely type it in the chat box. And the other thing is, you should be a trader, a regular trader. You just come here just for looking at this particular application, it won't help you much. So I'll just wind up this meeting. People who have joined us late, that is after 9 o'clock, you can definitely watch what we have done from the morning in our YouTube post. So in case if you have any doubts, you can always come back and then check it. So to basically summarize the whole thing, there is nothing called as losses today. So in case if you want me to show you that, I can show you that here itself. Around 37,000 is a profit at 11:34. That is the time you can see there on the right side in the bottom corner. So you had 4 stop losses, but in that Wipro has recovered even that also. So Bank Nifty and Syndicate Bank. Syndicate Bank again it was a profit. On the buy call it was a stop loss. But on the right side if you see, it has recovered your stop loss and it has given your profit also. Same thing with Bank Nifty, except Hindalco, the other trades are fantastic today. So roughly around we are winding up at 11:45. That is around 2.5 hours of trading. We have made around 37,000 rupees as your profit with an investment of 2 lakhs. So thanks for coming. I'll just wind up this meeting now.